Good morning, gentlemen. I, Cadet Pranay, today going to talk about Quad. Quad stands for Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. It is an informal security dialogue consisting of India, Australia, US, Japan, with a shared objective to ensure and support free, open, and prosperous Indo-Pacific region. The idea of Quad was first mooted by Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in the year 2007, but the idea couldn't move forward because of Australia pulling out of it under Chinese pressure. In the year 2012, the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe again floated the concept of Asia's democratic security diamond consisting of India, Australia, US, Japan to safeguard maritime commons from Indian Ocean to the Western Pacific Ocean. In the year 2017, all the four countries, India, Australia, US, Japan, gave shape to the long pending Quad coalition to develop a new strategy to keep the critical sea routes free from any influence of any country, especially China. US considers China as well as Russia a strategic rival in national security strategy, in its national defense strategy, and according to Pentagon's Indo-Pacific strategy. However, Australia has remained committed to the comprehensive partnership with China, but Australia is also concerned about the growing influence of China in its territories, in infrastructures, in universities, and especially in its politics. Since the net trade volume with China is the key lifeline to Japanese economy, where net export contributes exactly 1/3 of the Japanese economic growth. But in recent decades, Japan has also expressed concerns on growing influence of China in Japanese territories. In recent years, China has violated international norms by creating military facilities on reclaimed islands in South China Sea, and its growing influence in military and economic power pose a strategic challenge to India as well. In recent months, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida organized and hosted the Quad Summit for the year 2022, inviting Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi, President of United States of America Joe Biden, and Prime Minister of Australia Anthony Albanese to talk about the free, open, and prosperous Indo-Pacific region. Many experts have stated that the nation in the Quad does not have a common objective. All the four countries are aiming at balancing their own interest. Therefore, the coherence in the vision of Quad is currently absent. So, how the grouping in Quad can be done? Well, the Quad needs to have proper vision for itself. Moreover, the countries like India, Australia, and Japan should focus on infrastructural projects, while country like America needs to be proactive in pushing ahead the vision of connectivity in Quad. Thank you.